Do you also want to learn coding but you don't have a laptop? Here are 5 excellent mobile apps you can use to learn coding on your phone. First one is SoloLearn. So, want to learn real coding on your phone? SoloLearn gives you interactive learning plus a mobile code editor for languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML, and more. Perfect for beginners and pros. Second one is Mimo. Mimo lets you learn Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, and more. So, gamified bite-sized lessons you can do anything. You can even build real projects and track your progress. Third one is Programming Hub. So, Programming Hub offers 5,000 plus code examples and teaches many languages like Python, C, C++, JavaScript, HTML, and more with interactive lessons and quizzes. Fourth one is Enki. Enki acts as an AI coding coach, tailoring lessons in coding, data science, SQL, Python, JavaScript, and computing fundamentals and more. You can bookmark lessons and catch reminders for daily coding workouts. And last but not the least, Lightbot. Lightbot teaches programming logic using shoot robot and puzzles. It's great if you are new to coding fundamentals like loops and procedures before diving into text-based coding. So you can try any one of these, and if you like this video and want more apps like this, just comment more. See you in the next video.